Do you want to make more money quickly? In this video, I will show you the way of making quick money on the internet. It is easy and profitable. I'm gonna show you how to make $100 in just 1 hour with just a few simple steps. All you need is a smartphone or a laptop and access to the internet. So, keep watching to the end, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Now let's jump to the video. Do you need money quickly? If you're looking for quick ways to earn cash without having to leave your home, here are some simple internet money-making opportunities for you to consider. Pick the methods that interest you the most and use them to your benefit in order to make money quickly at home. 1. Respondent. This is the quickest way to make money online. Respondent is a high-paying internet market research firm, helping researchers answer questions for $100 to $700 per hour. Participate via phone, video call, or online survey. You may join at your convenience and be paid through PayPal. 2. User interviews. User interviews pays $50 to $100 for each study. If you reside in the US or Canada, you may participate. Technology, food, consumer goods, family, software, hobbies, pets, sports, transportation, beauty, social media, and music are covered. User interviews need simple questions and demographic information to connect you with the proper research. 3. Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie is one of the trustworthy survey sites that pay handsomely. This is a high-paying survey site with over 10 million members. You may start earning PayPal money in 5 to 15 minutes a day. Participating in their online focus groups pays up to $150 per hour. It has an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau and a 4-star rating from Trustpilot. 4. Cashkick. Cashkick was released in 2021. The free software pays you to do surveys, polls, and other small tasks. The Cashkick app gives PayPal cash, not gift cards. Signing up with Cashkick is quick and may be done by simply linking the app to your PayPal account. 5. Findale Research. In 2005, Findale Research was founded to give customers insights into Disney, Amazon, and Netflix. They've paid out $7 million to members. You may do endless surveys and evaluate and retain the stuff. You can sign up for Findale Research if you live in the US. 6. Nielsen Panel. Nielsen Panel app is available for free download on desktop computers and mobile devices. To put it simply, they are a research firm that analyses apps and internet activity, and in exchange for your participation in their study, they will reward you monetarily. If you download the app and keep it for 30 days, you'll get your first $5. In addition, every month Nielsen gives away $10,000 in cash prizes. You may earn $50 per device if you maintain app functionality for a full year. Now, if you like to make money instantly, check the description box to earn $1,000 or more every day instantly. In the end, if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.